What's up, guys? I fix shit in your face, and just as a reminder, it takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos for you guys, so show a little appreciation if you would. Push the like button, push the subscribe button if you're interested in my content. I make videos like this all the time, and if you want to keep up with everything I do, push the notification bell. It helps. Helps our algorithm, helps us motivate to put out more content for you guys like this. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. See you guys there. Alrighty guys, welcome to the next video here. This is going to apply to most 50cc's as well as 150cc's. So you got your scooter here, you got power going to it, you bought it off somebody else, or you owned it and all of a sudden your blinkers just quit working. Today I'm going to show you how to resolve that. So I turned my key on, I definitely have battery power, as you can see. But if I turn my blinkers on, nothing happens. No relay, nothing's going on here, none of my rear lights are working. None of my front blinkers are working. Well, why would that be? How come? Well, that's because your blinker relay went out. And I'm going to show you where that normally is on the 50cc through 150cc scooters. They can look a little bit different. May vary slightly scooter to scooter, but they're about all the same. So I'm going to pull this cover off and I'm going to show you where your blinker relay is. Normally you just have to pull a number of screws all the way down until this front panel pops off and then the blinker relay is behind it. So let's get to it. I'll take this off and I'll show you guys where the blinker relay is. Alright, I'll be able to show you a couple things in this video. Number one, this is your voltage regulator right here, the heat sink voltage regulator, if you guys can see that. And then you have your ignition, your safety switch, your horn, and of course this would be your blinker relay. Now mine seems to be fretting a bit here. It doesn't want to work, so I think what I'm going to do is loosen this and play with it for a sec and see if maybe it's just got a loose wire. Might be the problem here. I might be able to fix it without having to replace it. What I'll do is turn that on. I'll activate one of the blinkers. So the blinkers are now on. Let's see what happens if I mess with the wiring. Sometimes the wiring scheme on these can be a little shoddy. So, no, doesn't seem to be doing anything. So I'll unplug this. There we go. Give this a smell here. Doesn't smell burnt, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that this is the problem. And you can order one of these on eBay. If you want to wait for China for 30 days, you can do that. They're about $2.99. If you want it instantly, they cost about $6.99. This one is clearly bad. My blinkers are not working at all. I don't even like this being tied up behind there. That's a really bad place for that. So I don't know why they put that there, but they did. So we'll for now we'll just unplug this assembly. But if you're curious why your blinkers aren't working, this is your blinker relay. It's normally a three-prong wire, and most of your 50 through 150cc's will look like this. So hopefully that helps you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe button, and catch you guys in the next video. Toodles.
Awesome! It's like a dream! It's like a dream!